Hi there, I'm Steph and I'm thrilled to welcome you to my channel, Oils and You. Not just your typical essential oil enthusiast. I've been on this incredible journey for over 23 years. Essential oils have been used for centuries to address various health concerns, and back pain is no exception. They can be a soothing and natural alternative to over-the-counter medications. In this video, we'll discuss the top essential oils known for their pain-relieving properties. Our first essential oil is lavender. Lavender oil is renowned for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help relax your muscles, reduce tension, and alleviate pain associated with backaches. To use lavender, simply mix a few drops with a carrier oil, like coconut or almond oil, and massage it onto your sore back. The soothing aroma will also help ease your mind and promote relaxation. Next up is peppermint oil. This invigorating oil contains menthol, which provides a cooling sensation and helps relieve muscle pain and tension. You can dilute peppermint oil with a carrier oil and apply it to your back, or make your own pain relief balm by combining it with shea butter or beeswax. This will give you a soothing, cooling sensation. Next up is eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is another fantastic choice for back pain relief. It's known for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce pain and inflammation. To use eucalyptus oil, add a few drops to a warm bath or create a steam inhalation setup to breathe in the soothing vapors. This will help ease your back pain and clear your airways simultaneously. Frankincense oil is revered for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation and promote relaxation. Using frankincense oil in a diffuser or aromatherapy session can help you relax and relieve back pain simultaneously. The gentle scent is a bonus for mental relaxation. There you have it. 4 essential oils that can help you find natural relief from back pain. Remember that it's crucial to dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them to your skin to avoid irritation. Always perform a patch test if you're trying a new essential oil for the first time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. If you've used essential oils for back pain, please share your experiences in the comments below. And as always, stay healthy and pain-free with the power of nature. See you in the next video.